These are the Unit 16 vocabulary words. The first word is confidential. Confidential is something that is told in confidence or in secret. Usually you don't want other people to know if something is confidential. You like to keep it a secret. The next word is commission. Commission is the act of doing something. I think of the Great Commission at the end of Matthew. Jesus told us to go out into the world. Okay, he's telling us to do something. He is commissioning us. The next word is compatible. Compatible is being capable of living or existing together in agreement or harmony. If we say two people are compatible, it means they work well together. They're able to exist together and they're able to agree on things together. Combustion. Combustion is a word that pops up a lot in science. It's the process of burning something. If we say something is combustible, that means it's very highly flammable. So combustion means the process of burning. Comprehensive. Comprehensive is including much, including a lot. It's very broad, it's very thorough. A lot of times you will hear you're having a comprehensive test. That means it's going to include a lot of information and it's going to cover everything that we've talked about. That's being comprehensive. The following words are from social studies. The first one is oracle bones. Oracle bones is something that originated from ancient China, and it's a cattle or sheep bone that was used to predict the future. Oops. The next word is Confucius. Confucius is China's most famous scholar. His teachings about government and family would change China forever. Seismograph. A seismograph is a scientific instrument that could detect earthquakes hundreds of miles away. It was invented during the Han Dynasty. Following words are from Bible. Covet. Covet means, and there's a little typo here, it's being jealous or desiring something that belongs to someone else. Okay, it's actually one of our 10 commandments. Do not covet. Don't be jealous of what someone else has. Just be content with what you have. Blasphemy. Blasphemy is expressing a lack of reverence for God. So basically, just considering God to be whatever, or saying his name in vain, or speaking bad about God would be showing a lack of reverence for God. That would be blasphemy. You've probably heard of the word fast before. It's not the speed fast, but in Bible it means abstaining, meaning staying away from food for a period of time, to seek the Lord, often to seek wisdom or as a sign of repentance. A lot of times people will actually go on a fast because it takes them away from the world so that they can be quiet and see what God has to tell them. These are from math, and hopefully Mrs. Grizzle will go over some of these with you. The word multiple doesn't mean more than one, but it just means the product of a number and a non-zero whole number. So multiples of 2 would be just by counting by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. It's counting by your 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. There's an infinite number of multiples. And then finally, the last word would be factor. Now, factor is different because numbers have a set number of factors. And it's a number that divides another number without a remainder. So factors of 6 would be 2, because 2 can divide into 6 evenly. 3 can divide into 6 evenly. Wouldn't be 4, wouldn't be 5. 6 can go into 6 evenly. Wouldn't be 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is the highest number that you can get. So the factors of 6 would be 2, 3, and 6. There's only a set number per number.